5 benefits of using almond oil for skin. We've grown up listening to how effective almonds are in improving your memory. Not just that, almonds are known to be power-packed with all the essential vitamins, minerals, proteins, fiber, and are associated with a number of health benefits. However, did you know that almonds can work amazingly as a beauty ingredient? Here are 5 beauty benefits of almonds. 1. Natural moisturizer. Clean your face thoroughly and apply a pea-sized drop of almond oil all over your face. Massage gently in the upward direction, including the eye area. This will not just give you smoother skin but also improve its elasticity. Perfect for this season. 2. Reduces dark circles. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, almond can lighten dark circles and reduce under-eye puffiness. It also contains retinol, vitamin E, and vitamin K, which can help keep the delicate skin under your eyes hydrated and smooth. You can use either almond oil or its paste for the treatment of your under-eye dark circles. To make the paste, soak the almonds in water and grind them. Apply it around the eyes and leave it overnight and wash it early in the morning. 3. Treat acne. Almonds are rich in fatty acids which can contribute to soothing the skin acne, blackhead, and whiteheads, and also reduce rashes. Therefore, if applied regularly on the face, it can treat all skin issues which are often caused by dirt and oil trapped in the pores of the skin. 4. Age-fighting properties. By making a face mask by combining honey, almond oil, and lemon juice in equal quantities can help to fight the early signs of aging. Use this face mask twice a week to reduce wrinkles and rejuvenate your skin. 5. Removes makeup. Almond oil works as a natural makeup remover. You can pour a few drops of almond oil on a cotton piece and gently wipe your face and eyes to remove your makeup.